Amazon app OTP not receiving. If you're trying to log into the Amazon application but you're not receiving the OTP code for it, OTP code as in whenever you try to log in, Amazon will ask you to have your two-factor authentication. Normally, as long as your email is correct, you tap on continue and then your password is also correct. So whenever you tap the sign in button, you should be able to get your email address. So you can try to check your email. If it's not there in the primary tab, you can try to look for it within the spam folder. Sometimes it could be that it could have been sent to spam. You also want to make sure that you have selected the correct email account which you want to receive the Amazon code from, and see if that helps you solve the problem. If it doesn't, do not try from the same tab over and over again. Close the Amazon app or restart it. Then long press the Amazon app icon if you're using it on Android. Then tap this I button to come to app info page. From here, go to storage usage, clear the cache files and clear the data. Then also check if the Amazon app has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.